Hello, what's up guys, I am Arjavit, and today in this tutorial I will show you how it's looking chair, ultra chair and desk. You may also don't know which one is what I said, so I will tell you step by step what is this. Okay, so first it is chair. Here is a lot of chairs. You may sit of this. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8 chairs. Here also is next chair, and here you have ultra chair, so something like sofa mini with skin. And here on the end you have desk. On the desk you may sitting, you may go like to the bed, you may sit on this. Yeah, yes, and that it's looking. So I really recommend you this. I hope that I help you, and you may leave like and subscribe. Bye bye and see you next time. Thanks.